Do your kids love junk food more than healthy meals? Don't worry, you're not alone. Every parent struggles to make their little ones eat veggies. But what if I told you that healthy eating can actually be fun and easy for kids? Today, we allow discover smart tricks and colorful food ideas that can make even the pickiest eater excited for meals. Let's make healthy eating a habit, not a headache. Welcome to Mini Medics, where we make kids' health simple, fun, and educational. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more easy health tips, parenting guides, and doctor-approved advice to help your little ones grow strong and happy. Why healthy eating matters. Growing kids need the right nutrients, not just calories. Good food equals better energy, focus, and mood. Balanced diet helps prevent obesity, anemia, and weak immunity. Early habits last for life. What kids learn now, they'll follow as adults. Fun fact, a child's brain uses about 50% of their daily energy intake, so feeding the brain is just as important as feeding the belly. Build a colorful plate. Teach your child the rainbow rule. Every color of food gives different vitamins. Examples: red tomatoes, strawberries equals heart health, orange carrots. Mangoes equals good vision, green spinach. Broccoli equals strong bones, purple grapes. Eggplant equals brain protection, make meals bright and fun. Kids eat with their eyes first. Tip: arrange fruits and veggies into smiley faces or shapes on their plate. Smart snacking. Replace chips and candies with healthy, crunchy snacks. Popcorn without butter. Yogurt with fruit, peanut butter with apple slices. Homemade smoothie popsicles always keep healthy snacks visible. Kids grab what they see first. Mini hack: make a snack box at home filled with only healthy choices. Make mealtime fun. Involve kids in cooking. Let them wash veggies, mix salad, or name dishes. Use fun names like superhero smoothie or power veggie wraps. Play food color bingo. Every day they eat a different color. Remember, when kids help, they eat better because they're proud of what they made. Limit sugar and processed foods. Too much sugar equals tiredness, mood swings, and tooth decay. Check food labels. Many juices and cereals hide added sugar. Offer naturally sweet alternatives. Honey, fruits, dates. Tip: try replacing one junk food item each week with a healthy homemade version. Stay hydrated. Kids often forget to drink water. Remind them with a fun water bottle. Add lemon, cucumber, or berries for a tasty twist. Avoid sodas and colored drinks. They add sugar, not hydration. Be a role model. Kids copy what parents do, not what they're told. If you eat healthy, they'll follow naturally. Eat meals together, avoid screens during eating time, and make it a happy family habit. Bonus segment 8:30 to 9:30 quick healthy meal ideas. Breakfast: oats with banana slices. Lunch: chicken wrap with lettuce and carrots. Snack: yogurt with berries. Dinner: rice with grilled fish and veggies. Outro 9:30 to 10 o'clock. So there you have it. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. With a little creativity, your kids can fall in love with fruits, veggies, and balanced meals. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mini Medics, your partner in raising happy, healthy kids. See you in the next video. Stay strong, eat smart, and keep smiling.